Hey, Gianna. Do you think that's funny? Hey, Gianna. I'm gonna make a really crazy noise that always makes you laugh. Why do you laugh when I make that noise? You're so crazy. You probably think the same thing. Hey. Well, you want to bounce, huh? Did you have fun at Miss Megan's house? Yes, that's a yes. Gianna. Zzz. Hey, Gigi. You think that noise is funny, huh? A tired laugh. Why is your hair so sweaty? What have you been doing today? What have you been doing today? Growing teeth? Hey, Gianna. You were crazy. Cooper, come here. She wants to see you. Where's Cooper? Cooper. Cooper. Cooper, 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 Cooper. Cooper, 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 Cooper. Cooper, stop looking at me. Cooper, 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 Cooper. Oh, you sound really tired. Oh, look at those eyes getting all red. Play with your toy. Hey, Gianna. Look at that drool. You've got teeth now. Wow, there goes the drool. Yeah. Let's do it one more time. Ah, not funny anymore. Good time to end the video. Okay, say good night to everybody. Good night. Good night, world.